For the second kind of mallet, I have a little bit bigger of a shop helper. You want to say hi?
Hi.
What we're going to do is I have this piece of pallet wood here. We're going to use a little bit more advanced techniques. So we're going to use the planer to plane it down and cut it up. But the entire mallet is going to be made out of this piece of wood. You ready?
Yes.
You can come over here if you want. I'm going to need you to grab it as it comes out.
Okay.
So now this board is flat and it's parallel because we ran it through the planer. And it has a little bit of warp in it, but we don't care about that because we're going to chop it up anyways. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the mallet head out of this good piece over here. And out of this skinny piece, we're going to make the handle. So we need to cut it up a little bit more. So what we're going to do is we're going to plan out our cuts, and we're going to make everything just a little bit oversized so that we can cut it down later to the final dimensions. Okay, so I need you to mark the 2-inch mark, which is this long mark right there.
Here?
Nope, the long mark right there. Just a tick. Tick. Okay. Now the 4-inch. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go 5 inches. So do it at the 9. Okay, and then again at 14. Now, this is a square, so what we're going to do is we're going to reference off this edge because we know that's straight, and then make a mark right at the right where you made the tick mark. Make a long line all the way across. Okay, now we're going to put on our hearing protection. Do you want to see how this is going to get put together now?
Sure.
Awesome. So we have 2 sides for the face of the mallet. These are going to be for the middle of the mallet, and our handle is going to go in between. So this is how it's going to get assembled. And then we're going to cut it down to the size that we need. So how long do you want your handle?
Say about like this long.
You want it to be way out here?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll make a cut. So just make a mark about where you want it. Okay. Now that we have all of our pieces, we're going to glue it up. And so what I'm going to need you to do is, on these 2 faces, I'm going to spread some glue around take this card and you're just going to spread it back and forth so it's nice and even, okay?
Okay.
Hey guys, while the glue's drying, I wanted to take a second to talk about a product I just found. It's called Better Man Beard Balm. It's got a really great spruce scent. Pretty excited about this. It's a really awesome product and I love the smell of spruce. So I reached out to the owner, Justin Thomas, and bought one. It's not a sponsored video. Right now we're all stuck at home, and also Boise was recently hit with an earthquake. So it would be great if you use products like this anyways to buy from a small business, because they can really use our help right now. This can is 2 ounces, costs $18, and like I said, it smells great. So this is what I use every day. I'll provide a link to the product and to his social media sites down below. So if you have a chance, click on those links, and let's get back to the build.
Alright, so our mallet is dried. So let's move on to the next step.
Next, I went over to the drill press and drew a grid and drilled a bunch of 3/16 inch holes, which will be used for the golf tees as nails to be hit in with the mallets that we just made.
Let's try this out.
Cool.
Some in my eye.
You want to try it, Cameron?
Is this one mine?
Yep. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you have an extra 15 seconds, leave a comment and let me know what videos you'd like to see me make, whether it's for the shop or for a kid's project. I'd like to see your comments. So I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks. And one last thing that we can do once you've nailed all these in, you could practice for like the 3-year-olds, they could practice their hammering. For the 5-year-olds, you can practice making shapes. So, let's make a square. So we can make squares, we can make rectangles, we can make triangles, and you can have so much fun with this block of wood, making all different kinds of shapes. What do you think?
Good.
Pretty cool, huh?